Hello and welcome to Luscombe Mitsubishi's walk around video Eclipse Design SE that we have. This is a 69 plate, this one, so it's a relatively new car. We've purchased this from Mitsubishi direct. It's only covered 286 miles, this one. The Design SE is based on the Verve, but it has the bigger alloy wheels. And as you can see, it's finished in Atlantic grey. As you would expect for a car 69 on a 69 plate with 289 miles, it's pretty much like brand new. You've still got all the rear camera on this one, and it still operates an SDA unit on the dash. So you've got, once you've paired your phone to it, it will operate your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So it turns it into a satellite navigation unit, like a bit like a mobile phone office, so you can read all your text messages and WhatsApp messages and so on. It's a massive saving, this one. These cars are knocking on door £24,000 in the showroom, and obviously with it being registered and having 300 miles on, you've got a massive saving there. You've still got auto lights, auto wipers on it. I'll take you inside, let you have a look at the interior. So you've got your 4 electric window switches there, electric mirror switches also. I'll just jump in. As you can see, you've got the big display on top of the dash there. I'll just start her up so you can see that. It's all digital climate control. You've got your digital climate control down there, air conditioning also, 6-speed manual. When you select reverse as well, also brings the camera up there. You've got the lines there. The red line on the display there, that's your safety point. You can open your tailgate safely, so you can park close up. As long as you're in with parameters with that red line, you can still open your tailgate perfectly alright. And like I say, it is like a brand new, well, it is a brand new car inside, and it's not been driven or anything with 300 miles on. It's still got all the remaining manufacturer's warranty, so just short of 5 years warranty on this one as well. Phenomenal saving. You've got a multi-function steering wheel on this one, so basically, like I said, outside, once you've paired your phone, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, that will basically turns it into voice activation, so you don't even have to get your phone out of your pocket or anything like that one. Answer your calls, reject your calls. On that side there, you've got cruise control, which same again is a bit of a must nowadays, with speed cameras and so on. And then you've got that one there, where basically it's your speed limiter on that one. So basically, if you set it to desired speed, it won't go above that speed. You've got double USB ports down there, so you can, if you've got your music, you can just plug your USBs in there and it'll play all your music through there as well. Auto lights, auto wipers, like I said. It's got stop-go technology on it as well, so it'll save you a little bit more fuel as well. And you've also got the remainder of the 3 years breakdown cover on this one as well. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to arrange a test drive or reviewing, by all means just give us a shout. Thanks for watching.